What if I told you that the food on your plate could be silently destroying your liver right now? No warning signs, no immediate symptoms, but every bite could be pushing your liver closer to permanent damage. Today, I'm going to reveal the top 10 everyday foods that are harming your liver, often without you even realizing it. It's the largest internal organ, and it performs over 500 essential functions, from filtering toxins, producing bile, metabolizing fats, breaking down drugs, to regulating blood sugar. And stick around until the end, because I'll share the 4 most powerful foods that can help heal and restore your liver naturally. Your liver is the unsung hero of your body. Everything you eat, drink, or apply on your skin eventually passes through your liver. But when it becomes overwhelming, the consequences can be serious fatty liver, cirrhosis, liver failure, and even cancer. The worst part, liver damage is often silent. You may feel perfectly fine, it's too late. That's why it's crucial to know which foods are putting this vital organ at risk. Number 1, salt and salty processed foods. Excess sodium, found in chips, snacks, canned soups, and instant noodles leads to fluid imbalance and high blood pressure, stressing both your liver and kidneys. Limit daily sodium to less than 2,000 milligrams. Number 2, fried foods. French fries, fried chicken, onion rings. These are loaded with trans fats and oxidized oils that trigger inflammation and fat buildup in the liver. Over time, they contribute to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Number 3, spicy foods. Spices stimulate bile production, but when consumed in excess, they can cause bile buildup, leading to gallstones, bile duct congestion, and even liver inflammation. Number 4, red meat. Beef and pork are high in saturated fats and dense proteins. Overconsumption can overwhelm your liver's ability to break them down, leading to toxic byproducts and sluggish liver function. Number 5, sugary soft drinks. These sugars are directly linked to fatty liver, obesity, and insulin resistance. Cola, fruit punch, energy drinks. They're packed with refined sugar and high fructose corn syrup. Even diet sodas, loaded with artificial sweeteners like aspartame, can lead to liver cell damage. Number 6, fatty foods. Pastries, fast food, creamy sauces. These are high in unhealthy fats that raise bad cholesterol and contribute to liver scarring and cirrhosis. Chronic consumption impairs the liver's ability to regenerate, leading to scarring, fatty liver, and even liver cancer. Avoid mixing alcohol with soda. It doubles the damage. Number 7, canned fruits. They might sound healthy, but canned fruits are often soaked in heavy syrup filled with fructose and preservatives. Excess fructose strains the liver and raises uric acid and blood sugar levels. Eat 1 to 2 cloves daily, but avoid it if you have ulcers or liver cirrhosis. Number 8, sweets and desserts. Ice cream, candy bars, cakes loaded with simple carbs, refined sugar, and chemical additives that spike insulin, overwork the liver, and contribute to organ obesity. Studies show 2 cups a day may lower the risk of liver cirrhosis by up to 40%. It helps reduce liver fat and increases protective antioxidants. Choose black coffee with minimal sugar or cream for best results. Number 9, alcohol. Even small amounts of alcohol create a toxic load for the liver. It's especially effective when eaten with fatty meals like beef or pork. Number 10, canned and processed foods. They're also high in vitamin C, E, and anti-inflammatory fats that protect the liver from aging and oxidative stress. High in preservatives, sodium, and chemical additives, canned foods can trigger fibrosis, an early stage of liver scarring. Always choose fresh or low-sodium alternatives. Now that we've identified the culprits, let's look at what you can eat to support and heal your liver. Number 1, garlic. Garlic activates liver enzymes that help flush out toxins. It contains allicin and sulfur compounds, both powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation and boost detoxification. Number 2, coffee. Surprisingly, coffee is a liver-friendly drink. Number 3, pumpkin. Rich in rare vitamin T and antioxidants, pumpkin helps break down fats and repair liver cells. Number 4, avocado. Avocados boost the production of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant your liver uses to filter toxins. Avoid the harmful foods we covered today and add these for healing superfoods to your daily diet. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video and take care of your liver.